Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos. That form, let's have it swept nicely. So when that happens, it's easy to do that. Let's do that quickly here. Before that, I want to create that same profile here so that we can maintain our extruded one. So let's edit the profile quickly. Yes. So now we are editing this profile. Let me go to the east. Okay, and then pick the same shape of the profile so that we can get that on the other side of the opening. Okay, let me sweep this quickly. Let me run the corner trim. So I form a closed loop. My wall profile is created. Okay, it looks as if let me tap. It looks as if it looks as if we created. I rather want to select the other edge. So let me trim this quickly. Let me trim this quickly. Wow. So then I can delete these ones. Okay, I can delete these ones. Got it. Then, so we have finished the wall profile on the other side. It has nothing to do with modding. I just wanted to create the opening on the other side so that I can maintain this extrusion here for references. Okay, I mean for reference purpose. So let's create the molding as we wanted on this side by sweep. Okay, just as we did for the top. Don't forget the steps. The first step is that you create your path. The next step, you create your profile. But after creating your path, you finish your path. You create the profile, you finish the profile. Then you finish your sweep, and then you finish your model. Very simple step. So let's apply that here. So when we come here, the first thing we do is that let's pick our plane, but we'll come back to switch it. So component model in place. We are picking generic model. You say okay. So generic model 4, I'm fine. I come to my work plane. I said pick my work plane here on the face here. So I have moved the work plane from this face onto this face, and that is fine. So I come in and I say I sweep, but let's take off the model. Now I know where it is. So the first thing I do, sketch path. So we say sketch path. Let me pick. Okay, so I have my path selected. Okay, so this is going to be the path on which I'm going to run my model, my profile. Okay, so when I finish, what do? We finish your path. It's done. The next thing is now create the profile. So I say I can edit profile, and then I come in to draw the profile around it. So what do? Let's go to the view perpendicular to the work plane, and obviously that will be my south view, which is here. Let me create a wireframe. Okay, wireframe is already created. I can see the thickness. So now I'm in to create the profile. So I can start my profile. It depends on what I want to do. Maybe I can start from inside. Don't worry, it's my design. I can I'm here to put it out there. So sketch, I like this very simple funny modules, because look, you are going to create more funny ones than this. So this is a small curve I want to introduce, and then another curve I want to introduce. Then okay, let me go here. A third curve I want to introduce. Then let's do something straight. Okay, so I can come down here and create my profile. So now when you finish drawing this profile around it, we've determined the path already. So I come here, I said, okay, so I click to finish. I click here to finish my profile. Nicely done. Then I say, okay, then if I finish my profile, then I can say finish sweep then. Let's go to the 3D, finish the model, go to the 3D and see what you've done. Nicely. Okay, the shape that I was incubating is now a reality. Okay, and you see, look at the beauty. It has swept along the face, because I allowed it to cover the underside of the of my opening. Okay, so and on the outer face, I indicated how I want my slope to go. It has picked it nicely. Okay, and these are some of the moldings that you can create, which is good, it's beautiful, and it will make your building stand out. It doesn't matter where you want to have it stand, you can create it. Okay, doesn't matter where you want it. If you want to create a review, if you want to create a review around a certain line, you can also get it done. Now with the method that you've created, I mean, with what you've learned, you should be able to do that. Thank you so much. You can experiment and try your hands more for great stuff. Thank you.
Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos.